In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva Magic Studio to create amazing designs with AI. Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to use Canva Magic Studio to create amazing designs with AI in a clear, simple way so you can go from idea to polished design faster. Start by opening Canva in your browser. Once you're on the home page, head to Apps and look for Canva Magic Studio. You can also use the search bar and type Magic Studio to find it quickly. This area brings together Canva's AI features, so everything you need is in one place. Next, choose the tool you want to work with. Magic Write helps you generate text. Magic Edit lets you transform parts of an image, and the AI design tools give you smart layouts and visuals based on your prompt. Pick the one that matches your goal for this project. Let's begin with Magic Write. Click Magic Write, type your prompt, and select Generate. Be as specific as you can about the topic, tone, and length. For example, you might ask for a short product description in a friendly voice or a caption with a call to action. In a moment, you'll see AI-written content appear. Read it through, tweak any wording so it matches your brand, and if needed, refine your prompt and generate again. When you're happy, click Add to Design to place the text directly into your project. Now, try Magic Edit for images. Upload an image, then brush over the area you want to change or enhance. Type what you want to see instead. Maybe swap a background element, clean up a distraction, or add a small object, and let the AI create options. Preview the results and make adjustments if needed. You can refine the selection or adjust your prompt for better accuracy. When the result looks right, click Apply to update your image inside your design. If you want help with layout ideas, explore the AI design tools in Magic Studio. Enter a short prompt describing your theme or purpose, then preview the AI-generated results. Choose the version that fits your vision and make any adjustments to colors, fonts, or spacing so it feels on brand. When you're satisfied, add it to your design. Finally, save or download your design as usual. Choose the file type that suits your use case and you're ready to share. And that's it. That's how you use Canva Magic Studio to enhance your designs. Thanks for watching.